Hi students, welcome back to video classes. So in the previous video we learned about the shapes. Now in this video we learned about the angles. Now angle tester. So these two are the girls. This is the conversation between these two girls. How do we make equal angles? Let us make an angle tester. So how do we make equal angle means this girl is saying, so before that we will make the angle. This girl is saying like this. Now you also have an angle tester in your geometry box. It is called a divider. So this is the divider. This is called the divider, which is used to measure the what we call just the angles, measure the angles also. So this is the divider. It has two legs with metal pointed ends. So these are the metal pointed ends. So sharpen, these two are the metal pointed ends. So this is called the what we call divider, which is used in geometry box. Now cut two strips of cardboard sheet, fix them with a drawing pin. So this is the drawing pin, such that both the strips can move around easily. So this is the one strip of the cardboard and this is the second strip of the cardboard. You fix these two with a drawing pin like this. So we'll get the angle tester. Rohini and Mohini went all around with the angle tester to look for different angles in their class. Rohini tested the angle of maths book and the pencil box. Look at the tester. It has opened like the letter L, isn't it? It has the open. This is the one what we call cardboard sheet. So this is the strip of the cardboard sheet and this is the another strip of the cardboard sheet. If we keep these two strips like this, we will get the right angle. So we will get the right angle. If we open like this, we will get the, what is the shape of this one? This is the letter L. So this is the right angle. We write it as L. So what is the angle made this point at this point? 90 degrees, isn't it? 90 degrees. Now you better to make the angle tester. You just make the angle tester. So this is the HW to you and you measure the angles of maths textbook and pencil box. Now go around with your tester and draw here those things in which the tester opens like the letter L. Are you sure they are all right angles? So you just test it. So you test it and find, are the all angles right angles? So are the right angles or not? You test it. This is also HW to you. Now next. So this is the practice time. Look at the angles, very interesting. So because here some diagrams are given and the angle made at two different points are also there. Now look at the angles in the pictures and fill in the table. So angle. So first column is angle. Second one right angle. Third one more than right angle. Less than right angle. Right angle means right angle means whose measure is 90 degrees. Don't forget. More than a right angle. That means greater than 90 degrees. So that is called obtuse angle. What we call greater than 90 degrees means obtuse. Obtuse angle. So less than 90 degrees. Less than 90 degrees means it is acute angle. Acute angle. Okay, leave it. So scissor. So scissor is open like this. Now what is the angle made at this point? What is the angle made at this point? Is this angle greater than 90 degrees or less than 90 degrees? Already has given less than 90 degrees. How it is less than 90 degrees? Just find out. Suppose if it is the one ray, so what is the angle? Suppose if you draw a perpendicular line, you will get 90 degrees. This is, suppose if it is the ray and this is the another ray, So what about this ray? This is less than, this ray is towards, that means less than 90 degrees. This is less than 90 degrees. Therefore, you put the tick mark in this column, less than 90 degrees. Like that, do the other three. So this is the hand. So what is the angle made at this point? That is the angle made at this point. Here the angle made at this point is, so this is perpendicular to this one and this is also perpendicular to this one. Therefore, the angle made at this point is how much? 90 degrees. Therefore, it is a right angle. Isn't it? It is a right angle. So take the third figure. This is the kite. So this is the one side of the kite and this is the other side. So this is the angle made at this point. These two are meeting at this point. Let it be. This is the one ray and this is the other ray. These two are meeting at this point. So what is the angle made at this point? This is also equal to 90 degrees. So it is a right angle. So take the third one. So here these two are meeting at this point. Now what is the angle made this one? Suppose if it is the base. So this is the first ray and so this is the second ray. So what is the angle made at this point? So this is greater than 90 degrees. Why? Because suppose if you draw a perpendicular line, so this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees, but here the ray is like this only. Therefore it is greater than 90 degrees. Therefore it is obtuse angle. So what is the column here? More than 90 degrees. This is more than 90 degrees. Is it more than 90 degrees? Yes, more than right angle. So this is greater than 90 degrees. Now, so this is the, so here this is also, this is the perpendicular to this one. The ray is perpendicular to this one. This is the angle made at this point is 90 degrees, but this ray is, suppose if you move towards in this direction, means what happened? It is greater than 90 degrees. Therefore, it is also the obtuse angle. Now, next one is, Shipman made this picture with so many angles. So this is the picture. In this picture, suppose if you observe carefully, you can find different angles. So why? Because all pictures are made by straight lines only. This is the straight line. Here the pictures are made by straight lines. Just observe it. Now use color pencils to mark. First one is use color pencils to mark right angles with black color, angles which are more than right angle with green, angles which are less than right angles with blue. Angles right angle with black mean, so what are the angles we can find? So this is, observe it, this is right angle, this is 90 degrees, angle made at this point is 90 degrees. So like that here, so what are the other angles? So this is also, now you see this one and this one. What is the angle made at this point? This is 90 degrees. So like that, if you observe this one, here you see this is one and this one. So this is also 90 degrees, right angle. So this is 90 degrees. Like that, any other such figures? Now you see, this is horse. So this is also equal to 90 degrees. So like that, you color with black. Now second one is angles which are more than right angle with green, angles more than, that means greater than 90 degrees means what we call obtuse angle. So what are the angles made here? with green. What are the angles made with here? Now, you see, observe this one. This is the one ray and this is the other ray. So what is the angle made here? It should be greater than 90 degrees. This is greater than 90 degrees, isn't it? If you take the other side, so this is also, this is the one ray and this is the another. The angle made, this one is also greater than 90 degrees. So it is the obtuse angle. So like that, if you observe the dress of this woman, so you see, so this one and this one, what is the angle made? This one here, this is also greater than 90 degrees. So what are the other angles we got? This is, if it is the one ray and this is the other ray, so this is also greater than 90 degrees. Like that we can find so many angles. This is, if you take the umbrella, so if you take this one as the one ray and this is the other ray, what is the angle made at this point? So this is also greater than 90 degrees. Like that you identify some more angles which are greater than 90 degrees. And the third one is angles which are less than right angle with blue. Less than 90 degrees means what we call acute angle. Acute angle, blue. So what are the acute angles? So many acute angles are there. So can you tell me? So this is the one acute angle. You see all of it? So this is less than 90 degrees. Acute angle. This is less than 90 degrees and this is also less than 90 degrees. So this is acute angle. So like that you can find this is also less than 90 degrees. This is also less than 90 degrees. So these two are acute angles. So like that, so legs of the horse, these two are meeting at this point. This is less than 90 degrees. This is less than 90 degrees. And this is also less than 90 degrees. This is also less than 90 degrees. I think slightly it is equal to 90 degrees, but it is less than 90 degrees. This is less than 90 degrees. So this is also less than 90 degrees. Less than 90 degrees. So this is less than 90 degrees. This is the angle made. So like that you identify some more angles. Draw anything of your choice around the angle shown. Also write what kind of angle it is. The first one is done for you. So this is a crocodile. Her mouth are opened, and what is the angle made at this point? Means we can say this is less than 90 degrees. So like this is less than 90 degrees. So less than right angle or less than 90 degrees. So like that you draw anything of your choice around. We can find so many shapes around us. Now for example, you take this one. What is the shape of this angle? Angle made at this point is what we call. So it is a right angle. What we call? It is a right angle. Its angle is equal to exactly 90 degrees. Its angle is equal to 90 degrees. Suppose if you take this one, so this is also, don't think it is less than 90 degrees. Don't think it is less than 90 degrees. It is also equal to 90 degrees. This is also equal to 90 degrees. This is also called right angle. This is also called right angle. If you take this one, it is more than 90 degrees. It is greater than 90 degrees. By observing, we can say very clearly, it is very clear. Therefore, we can say that it is greater. Suppose if this ray is like this, then it is 90 degrees. So this ray is away from this one. Therefore, it is greater than 90 degrees. Therefore, it is called what we call obtuse angle, more than 90 degrees. More than 90 degrees. What we call obtuse. O-B-T-U-S-E. Obtuse angle. Take this one. So this is greater than or less than? Less than 90 degrees. Therefore, it is called acute angle. So this is also less than 90 degrees. So this is also less than, and therefore this is also called acute angle. So these are the types of angles. So okay, students, let us stop here. We will continue in the next class.